From Dogecoin's legendary rise to Pepe and Bonk making millionaires overnight, meme coins have taken over crypto. But are they a goldmine or just a scam waiting to happen? In this video, we're diving deep into the rise of meme coins, how they work, and whether they're actually worth investing in. Stay till the end to find out my personal take on meme coins in 2025. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a meme coin? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet culture. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, meme coins don't solve major technical problems. They're often based on jokes, memes, or hype. They have no real utility, unlike DeFi or NFT tokens. Meme coins don't always have a real-world use case, but they thrive on community hype and speculation. Volatility is insane. Meme coins can 10x overnight, but they can also crash just as fast. The first real meme coin to gain traction was Dogecoin in 2013, turned into a billion-dollar market. And after that, the floodgates opened. Meme coins exploded in popularity for a few key reasons. The power of social media. Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok have made it easier than ever for meme coins to go viral. Retail investors love them. Meme coins are cheap to buy, making them attractive for people who want to gamble on the next 100x token. Celebrity influencer hype. Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin and sent it to the moon. Influencers and crypto whales often fuel the FOMO. And let's not forget, during every bull run, meme coins make a few people rich, but many others lose everything. For every Dogecoin success story, there are 100 failed meme coins that left investors wrecked. Here's what you need to watch out for. Rug pull scams. Many meme coins are pump and dump schemes where developers vanish with investor money. Fundamental value. Most meme coins don't offer real utility, so once the hype dies, the coin dies too. Whales manipulate prices. A few large holders can control the market, dumping at the peak and leaving small investors with worthless bags. In 2021, Squid Game token pumped thousands of %, but within minutes, the devs pulled liquidity and it crashed to zero. Investors lost everything. So, should you even invest in meme coins? The answer depends on your risk tolerance. If you love high risk, high reward gambling, meme coins can make insane gains in a bull market. Getting in early on the right coin can turn hundreds into thousands. If you time the hype cycle, you can profit before the crash. If you want long-term stability, meme coins are not a safe investment. Many disappear within months. Most don't hold value long-term like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's easy to lose money if you don't sell at the right time. If you play it smart, meme coins can be a short-term trading opportunity, but they should never be your main investment strategy. If you're going to invest in meme coins, here's how to avoid scams and pick the winners. Check the liquidity and holders. If one wallet owns 50% plus of the supply, it's a red flag. Look at the community. Strong meme coins have dedicated active communities. Watch for real world hype. If influencers, exchanges, or whales are talking about it, it might pump, but exit fast. Avoid coins with no liquidity locks. If the team can pull liquidity anytime, you're at risk of a rug pull. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Meme coins are like the Wild West of crypto. Some people get rich overnight, others lose it all in seconds. If you're smart, you can ride the hype, but if you're careless, you'll get wrecked. What's your take? Have you ever made money on a meme coin, or have you been rugged? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights and alpha. See you in the next one.